Today, we're diving into something super cool, listening with a quiet mind. In our crazy loud world, you kind of got to ask yourself, are you actually trying way too hard to listen? See, we usually just force it. We focus super hard on one thing and block out absolutely everything else. It's like staring through a tiny, narrow tube instead of just throwing open a massive, wide window. That tube mentality completely traps us. We're literally only letting in one single sound or thought at a time. But hey, try this instead. Sit quietly, drop the focus completely. Just let your mind get wonderfully still. Suddenly, you catch everything. Distant echoes, stuff nearby, immediate sounds. It all just washes over you at once. The real secret here? Absolutely zero effort. No straining, no intense concentration. You're just totally open and relaxed. When you listen like that, nice and easy, something deep inside you, quietly, automatically begins to shift. And the absolute coolest part? You didn't even work for it. The transformation just happens completely naturally. What you get is pure beauty and real insight. You feel life deeper and understand things way more clearly. By not forcing your mind, ironically, you end up hearing more, feeling more, and understanding more without even trying. So, it leaves us wondering, what profound truths are you going to uncover when you just simply stop trying?